Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Treason by MicroStudy. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have killer cages in the grids. That means that digits in a cage sum to the value in the top left. So this could be, for example, 2, 3, and that would sum to 5. All right, finally, we do have anti-king. Don't forget the anti-king. So what anti-king means is it's sometimes called no touch. So if I have a 2 here, for example, then none of the digits around the 2, basically anywhere a king could capture, are allowed to be also a 2. So that's going to be important for basically just these 3 cells here. None of these are allowed to be a 2 because they would touch this 2. Now, I don't actually have anti-king highlighting on. That was just because of this 2. But these are not allowed to be 2s because they are touching another 2. All right, so that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. This is really interesting that it just goes from 5 to 11. So 10 is only 4, 6 in a 6x6. That's the only way we're adding to 10. 9 could be 4, 5, or it could be it could be 4, 5 or 3, 6. Either way, this is not the 4 or 6. So this is the 4 or 6, and then this is the 5 or the 3. 8. Let's think about this. So 8 can be 2, 6 or 3, 5. So 3, 5 doesn't work. And the reason for that is one of these 3 5s, whatever this ends up being, it's going to be in one of these 2 cells, and it's not allowed to be because of anti-king. So this is going to be 2, 6 instead. Obviously, we can't do 1, 7 because there's no 7 in a 6x6, and we can't do 4, 4 because that repeats the 4. So now that we know this is 2, 6, this 4, 6 pair tells us the order. This is 2, this is 6, this is 4, and then 5 to add to 9. This is going to be a pair. Let's fill that now. This is 1 and 3. All right, so the 7 could be 1, 6. It can't be 1, 6 because this 6 is touching them. It can't be 2, 5 because the 2 is touching them. So it has to be 3, 4, and we know the order. This is just kind of filling itself out, huh? I guess working backwards was the way to go. Now this 6, 1, 5 would go like this. Oh, sorry, opposite. 1, 5 would go like this. 2, 4 is not possible because this 4 sees both of these. This has to be 5 and 1. Now this 1 sees both of these 5s, so this has to be 2, 3 in this order because of this 3. All right, we finished this row with a 1. Let's just fill all these out. This is 1, 4, 6. This 6 sees here, so that tells us that the 1 goes there. This is 2, 3, 5. Clean that up a bit. The 3 tells us the 5 goes there. Okay, this is 2, 5, 6. The 2 takes 2 out of there. So 2 can only go here. Okay, let's see. Maybe this 11 cage comes into play now. I haven't thought about 11 too much. Okay, so let's think about this. 4, 5, 6 is the biggest we... 4, 5, 6 is the biggest we could put in here. And that adds to 15. So, and then 1, 2, 3 is the minimum, and that adds to 6. So we're kind of middling. Okay, let's do this column then. Let's see what we can do here. So this can be from 2, 3, 5. It should be noted that the 1, 3 pair does see these 2 cells. So we can't put 1 or 3 in either of these. So is it useful that 2, 4? Actually, can we do 2, 4? Yeah, we can do 2, 4. We can do 2, 4 like this. 2, 4 is the minimum you could put here. That still doesn't really help too much. Okay, what's the triple here? 1. This is a naked single then, because it sees 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So this has to be a 4. Okay, so now we know that these 2 add to 11 minus 4, which is 7. These 2 add to 7. So if this was 2, this would have to be 5. It can't be. Oops, I meant to remove the 2. If this was 3, this would have to be 4, and it can't be. So this is 5 and 2, and that does add to 11. Good. That's a 3, that's 2, that's 3. 1 and 3. This is a 6, this is a 1. So this is 1, 3, 6, and the 1, 3 looks down. That gives us all of these digits. And finally, we need 2, 4, and 5. The 2 goes here, the 4 goes here, the 5 goes there. Wow, exactly 4 minutes. Nice. Cool. That was a neat puzzle, MicroStudy. Nice use of the anti-king for this long chain of 10 down to 5. And then also really nice that this 1-3 pair here made this a naked single. That was neat. And once that was a 4, that actually forced these to only be 2, 5, which was also neat. So yeah, cool ending to that puzzle. Let me know how you did on that and if you enjoyed it. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.